Hello, welcome back. Today I will show you how to make this yummy abacha with roast chicken. You'll be needing the following ingredients. Don't worry, I will put them down in the description box for you to take a detailed look. Anyway, these are the things you'll be needing. So first, let's prepare our roast chicken. So what I'm using for the roast chicken, a couple of herbs and spices, thyme, curry powder, suya seasoning. It makes the difference, guys. It's the game changer. Salt, chicken stock, and of course, what's it called? Smoked paprika, the red one. So yeah, I'll mix all these things together with olive oil, and then I'm going to just rub it into the chicken before putting the chicken in the air fryer. Yes, we're using air fryer for this chicken. We are not frying in oil or grilling in the oven. We are just going to put it in the air fryer and it's going to come out yum. After rubbing the seasoning all over the chicken, I will transfer to the air fryer and fry it at 200 degrees Celsius for the first 30 minutes. Did you just hear my daughter scream? That's my reality as a mom. There's nothing I can do about it. Yes, she's with my domestic assistant, but she doesn't want to take a shower. Just like I said, it's a problem with this girl, my third daughter. She doesn't like taking showers. Anyway, please pardon me for that interference and just accept me the way I am, okay? Thank you. There's no, I don't want to edit it out, okay? I hope it's not too disturbing. So while the chicken gets ready, I'm going to prepare the things for the abacha. So I will soak my frozen ugba in water to defrost, and I also poured some hot water in the abacha. Right. So if you're in Nigeria, you can get the fresh ugba. So, but I live here in Hong Kong. That one was sent to me by my mom-in-law. Now our chicken is nearly ready, but not very ready. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to rub the remaining seasoning all over the back, and then I will flip it and put it back for 20 minutes more. So it's time to prepare our abacha. Pour some fresh palm oil into your bowl or pan and add all the ingredients: ground crayfish, roasted ehuru, that's the calabash nutmeg, and the peppers and everything, and mix together. Now, if you want to get that native Enugu taste of abacha, you need to use roasted dry peppers, okay? And the ehuru, of course. You can also add ogiri if you have, but please don't use potash, okay? Potash is not good for your health at all. So when you've added your abacha to the mix, you just turn everything, to combine thoroughly. At some point, I had to exchange this ladle that I was holding and used just my palm, although I was wearing plastic gloves, but still, I wanted to incorporate everything together. Now add your owa too and stir everything together. Now there's no particular order to stirring this thing, to adding the ingredients, because basically it's just a combination of everything and then you toss it together. But just getting the right ingredients. If you want that Enugu taste, you need to use roasted dry peppers, the tiny little ones, those tiny little dry ones that they use for preparing osoji. Yes, that's the one I'm talking of. I'm sorry if you're not familiar with the terms that I'm mentioning. I'm really, really sorry. But osoji means peanut butter, but with some kind of heat, spiciness to it. Okay? Yes. But we don't put sugar in our peanut butter in Nigeria. Yes, we just use salt and calabash nutmeg. Why am I talking about peanut butter here when we are making abacha? Anyway, that's what I said, okay? Now stir everything together and just make sure that everything is thoroughly combined. Let me tell you guys, I nearly finished the thing in the kitchen, honestly. But yeah, it was that yummy. You don't need potash. Again, please don't use potash for your abacha, okay? So yeah, our chicken is roasted and nice and ready, and it's time to cut it up and serve my family. You can garnish your abacha with cucumbers, okay? Yeah, can you see the juices flowing out from that chicken? Oh, thank you very much for staying up to this point. See you next time. Bye.